Yeah. I'm gagged. Look at this crying glitter moment. I'm so excited about this look today because I've been trying to do a crying glitter moment forever. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't supposed to do this. It was supposed to just be a yellow cut crease moment, very flared out, big lashes, nude lip. But you know, somehow y'all just got me like going this route. So if you guys want to learn how to do this look, keep watching. All right, you guys. So I already have my face prepped, everything ready to go. I didn't use anything new, okay? I know the makeup world and the beauty world right now, I'm just not so like excited. I mean, there's not really much new, and I'm sure it's like probably the pandemic, the coronavirus, Miss Rhoda girl is ruining the beauty world for us and we're not getting anything new. Or I just want new makeup. Like, I mean, where are these brands at? I want new makeup, I want new things, I want awesome collaborations. I mean, I know, I guess I'm asking for too much in the middle of this pandemic and all that. But the other day, I went into my store. Well, not my store, but you know. You guys know I'm a Morphe babe. If you guys haven't used my code yet, and if you guys are shopping at Morphe, I do have a code that saves you money in store or online. So I did stop into a Morphe store the other day and I picked up a couple of things that I needed. And, you know, just, you know, things that I needed for my studio makeup things. You know, eyebrows, shadows, powders, you know, things like that. But today we're gonna go ahead and dive into a palette that I don't think it's new. This is the Sunset Beats palette 18S. I love these. I actually own like 3 of them. They went ahead and sent over a blue version. I have a green version, and then I have I believe it's a really pretty purple and like nude version. That being said, I was in the Morphe store, by the way. If you guys are in Southern California, Brea Mall, Morphe store, I love everybody that works there. They're so fucking nice. But shout out to you guys. But I did pick up a new palette that I'd never seen before. And this one is the Sunset Beats 18S palette. These colors, I'm like so obsessed with these colors. This definitely is a palette that I would come out with. I love sunset colors. Like, they're just so fucking pretty, and something about this yellow with these glitters in it, I'm just like, oh bitch, I gotta get this. But in the meantime, grab some brushes, make sure your eyebrows are pressed and ready to go. I'm ready. I have a new eye primer here that has been going around crazy on Instagram. Now, you guys know eye primers are very squeezy, very sticky, very, you know, one of those. KVD Vegan Beauty, I already unboxed it, has a shake primer. It's a high impact eyeshadow primer. So you're supposed to take it and shake it. So as you guys can see here, there's like black, oily things happening on the bottom. And then on top is like a clear kind of thing. So yeah, I'm excited to definitely play with this. So let's go ahead and play with this now. This is actually hard and you don't really squeeze it. You kind of, I feel like you drip it. So I'm gonna put the cap back on and let's go ahead and see what this does as you shake it. It doesn't tell you how long, but it says just to shake it. Oh, okay, so it's all mixed. It's almost like putting like oil in water. I don't even know how to put this on with a brush, or do I don't even know. I'm gonna use a beauty blender. I'm gonna take this. Hi. Do I drop it? Oh, it's not even soaking in the beauty blender. I don't know how to. Oh, there's a little thing right here. Okay. Look, I'm gonna go like this. You guys see it drop? Wow, okay. So I'm gonna put some of my beauty blender. That's on the tip, and let's go ahead and apply it on the eye. It's very wet, actually. It feels like water. Like, it feels like my eyes are wet. Okay. I definitely feel it. It feels super wet. It feels like I have gloss on my, no. It just feels like there's water on my eyes. Like, that's what it feels like. I mean, I don't really sit here and critique primers too much because, I mean, I know how to fucking blend, girl. I can blend me some shadows without a primer, girl. But I just like the prime because I'm just very like OCD like that. So I'm very intrigued by the yellow. So we'll see. I mean, this yellow glitter is super dope. So I'm gonna start with doing my crease first, you guys. So I'm gonna start with browns. I'm gonna do the bottom almost like that nice auburny red color. I'm dying to do a cut crease yellow. So hopefully these are my colors that's gonna be great for it. I really just love these vibrant yellow colors. Like these two, or these three actually. And then I love this kind of dark sultry moment on the bottom. This sand color is gonna be a perfect crease. So I'm gonna start with my crease first and let's get this popping. So I'm gonna take a little thin brush and I'm gonna start taking that orange and just really blending it. Now, I used to do my crease with a big brush, but for some reason, the other day I was getting into makeup. I actually really like it with a small brush. I think I have more control. Wow, that pigment is dope. And it literally just grabbed my shadow. Look at that. Okay. But like I was saying, what do you guys like to use? Do you guys like to use big brushes? Leave it down in the comment below. Like, or do you guys use thin brushes? What's your favorite thin brush when it comes to doing a crease? I picked like this flat, almost tiny miniature shadow brush because I like it to kind of be fluffy, but also really, really firm and tight as well. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm into that. I really truly think this eye primer is legit. You know when people say like, oh my god, I want new things. Well, this is new. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I'm like, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's so fucking hot. Yeah, this color is definitely amazing. I feel like I can create something like this with Morphe and I'm dying. It's like one of my dreams. And obviously I would pick Morphe because I really enjoy their colors and their collaborations, their stories. Like I just love it. I think we should do yellow liner. Pulling out a little NYX. This is the NYX. These are the Epic Wear liners. Let's do a yellow waterline, right? I never do a yellow waterline. Oh, that's really, really yellow. Wow, look at that. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, what should I do on the bottom? Should I keep it all browns and yellows? Or should I do... I think I should keep it really browns and yellows, to be honest. Let's go ahead and get that same brown and let's wrap it underneath. I think this is gonna be really pretty. Yeah, I think that's pretty. I was gonna put the burgundy color, but I'm like, you know what? This yellow is so fucking fierce. Ooh, that's pretty. I like the yellow underneath my eyes. And I feel like it makes this brown color more sandier and more like wearable. I might go back with a darker shade, but we'll see how that goes. I love connecting shadows because it just kind of really adds something to the eye. This is almost like an outline. All right, so one more dip and then we're gonna go right in with yellow. I want you guys to pull out a yellow cut crease product that you guys like. The only thing I have in my office, you guys, is the KVD Super Brow 24-hour pomade. And this is like as yellow as it gets. Taking a flat brush, dip it into the yellow. Before I cut the crease, I just went over my liner just a little bit. I want it super, super yellow, you guys. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, I love it already. So now we have yellow on top, we have yellow on the bottom to really give it a little moment. I'm already so obsessed. So I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna wipe off everything. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply this really, really pretty yellow shade. So taking this yellow shade, I'm gonna test it first. I like that shade. So now we're gonna take that yellow shade and we're just gonna set that crease. That's actually really pretty yellow. Now I'm taking it and I'm gonna set the other side. Now I'm just gonna go over one more layer to make sure all the yellow pomades are covered. Ooh. I'm gonna take out a big brush. I'm just gonna wipe away. I am like very, very in love with that. Pulling out the big brush that we used earlier to kind of buff in that pretty brown. Let's go ahead and add a little brown to it. So this shade here, let's go ahead and just start to kind of smoke out the edge. Wow, that is a pretty shade. Very, very sunset. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this darker shade. It's the last shade in the palette, and let's go ahead and line underneath to really give that bottom some character. Ooh, I love it. And then now we're gonna go ahead and take the same big brush and we're just gonna blur out that edge. Now, that same brush we used for the pomade, let's go ahead and apply the glitter, and I want the glitter everywhere, okay? I want that glitter completely everywhere on the eye. And how you guys wanna do that, I want you guys to just pack it on. The glitter is very, very big, and it's almost like, I wanna say it's very chunky, which I don't like chunky glitter, to be honest, but this is just gonna have to work. It's kind of falling all over the place. Maybe it needs like some glue or something. I'm a little sad. I'm just gonna continue to try to press it on with the brush. Oh yeah, I'm like really pressing it on, you guys, okay? It's like really, really on there. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, so I'm almost done with the glitter. Wow. I mean, once it's on, it's actually really pretty. We have that set. Let's go ahead and deepen underneath the eye. What I always like to do is I take my brush and I lick it, and I want to really define that crease. All right, one more time. Maybe I should do like a crying glitter, like, oh, like I'm crying yellow glitter. I'm gonna try to find a black. I think this thing needs a black. Maybe this color is gonna do very well in that edge to really give it like some definition. Oh yeah, like that. Wow, that's really actually pretty. All right, so now taking a liner, let's go ahead and line that lid. Ooh. You guys know I love a good old liner. So that was the House Lab liner. Now I'm just gonna take a black shadow. I'm just gonna actually press in some black on the edge. Not too much. We're just gonna blend in that really pretty black liner we just did. Ooh, I love it. I really think the primer works, you guys. All right, bitch. Oh, I'm already obsessed with that. Let me just go ahead and perfect this bottom with a little bit more brown. So taking that brown shade, just wrap it underneath a little bit more. All right, so now we're gonna do some crying tears. I think that, you know what, we're gonna like make this interesting. I mean, this eye is stunning. Like, I would go out like this and put on a wig and, you know, a little new lip. But I think we are much better than that. So pull out a brush and I'm gonna pull out the KVD Vegan Beauty. These are the brow. This is what I use to cut my crease, and I'm just gonna attempt to draw something crying gold. I don't know, I've never done this before. You guys know on my channel, I'm not really artsy crafty. I'm very fishy and gorgeous. So let's do some tears. I don't even know how to do this. Oh, okay. Bitch, I don't even know what to do. Is that, oh, that kind of looks like tears. Okay. I don't know if that looks like tears or not, but we're gonna put glitter on it to kind of really make it like interesting. So that looks somewhat like tears. Okay, so now since I have it wet, I'm gonna pull this spoolie out and let's go ahead and just apply some of that glitter. Oh wow, that actually, I think this is what this is for. Oh my god, this is what that brush is for. Wow, I think I did it, you guys. I think we got it. I think I did it. I'm so excited. You know when you guys do something and you're like, okay, cool, we did it. Wow, okay. Ooh, what kind of lip should we do? All right, you guys, so I'm just take my liner again and I'm just gonna perfect this wing liner on my eyes. All right, you guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna curl my lashes, plug some lashes on, figure out a lip color, and I will be right back with a full-on wig and showing you guys my crying gold glitter kind of moment. I'll be right back. So I didn't know what lip to do, but I was like, you know what, I'm feeling my dark fantasy, so I'm just gonna, you know, put a little chocolate moment on my lips. But you guys, so I kind of lied to you guys. Okay, listen, in the beginning of this video, I didn't realize I was gonna do something crazy like this. And you know how it is when you do makeup and you do just get ready and things just shift to the right, to the left, and you just start to do crazy things. So yeah, I'm totally gagging over this yellow and brown kind of moment. I don't even know what hair to pick, and this is the only thing available. So I was like, you know what, fine, brown, I'm into it. You guys, I went ahead and added like some rhinestones to this crying tear. Look what I did. I literally already hit pan, and you guys know this is the first day I literally pulled this palette out and I was like, you know, I'm gonna do something with this yellow gold glitter kind of moment, and I'm already hitting pan. So please, you guys, in the comments down below, let me know what I can use as in like a good glitter base, a good glitter moment. There's not a lot of new makeup right now. There's not a lot of things going on in the beauty world besides drama. And y'all know, I know y'all been waiting on me to comment on it, but I'm not gonna comment on nothing. Go refill your things, check out the stores, make sure you guys use my code. I went to the Morphe store, I packed up some stuff, got some, you know, little things that I need here in my studio to get my makeup going. And by doing that, you guys, it also makes sure you guys are staying inspired and making you guys are staying on top of your game. But you guys, I'm excited for this week because there's a new section on my channel called Kimora Unfiltered. I went on my live the other day and I wanted to kind of introduce that section to you guys, but it will be a section where everything's unfiltered. So stay tuned. The only way to keep up with me on my channel is for you guys to subscribe to my channel and see me every single week. In the meantime, I love you and I will see you guys later.